What's up, guys? So today we are gonna be going to Julio's shop because I have to go get my car fixed because I need a tune up on it. So let me open this. I could barely open my door. There we go. Am I gonna hit it? It's okay if I hit it. There we go. Let me call Julio up. Yo, Julio. I was gonna ask you if maybe I can get some models, some new parts for my car, like a new engine, maybe a spoiler on the back of my car, and maybe a new paint job. I don't like it. Okay, I'm pulling up now. All right, bye. All right, guys, we just pulled up. Let me open the garage. Julio doesn't care if I open it. Alright, there's my garage thing. You want it up here, Julio? Okay. Come on. Go for it. Hold on. Okay, give me 1 sec, guys. Yo, guys, look at these car parts. I have a thing right here. I have an engine right there. So I'll see you guys when Julio puts these parts on, the engine and the spoiler. Okay, Julio's bringing it down now. So yeah, just give me a second, guys. Okay, guys, we are back. So this is the car. I got the blue color on it, but I'm gonna change that. And I got this spoiler, and I got an engine. So I'll see you guys when he's all done painting my car. Okay, guys, Julio's bringing my car down right now. So, ooh, look at that color, guys. Oh, Julio, I want one more repair. Okay, I'll see you guys when he's all done. Okay, Julio's bringing it down again. So here we go. Come on, thank you. So let me back it up. Here we go. So, let me shut the door for Julio. Thank you, Julio. Why isn't the door? There you go. Julio got to get that door fixed. He told me he was gonna get that fixed, and he lied. So I just got it. Yeah, Julio did tune it up, so. My friend is joining me. Okay, so we are. Well, that's my girlfriend. So we are in here, and yeah. Hope you guys like the car, and yeah, let's go sit down. Alright, the door. I forgot to lock my door. Let's see. Let's turn on the TV. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. See you guys.